Samsung or your Android phone comes with a safety and emergency feature that you can quickly access from the settings by simply going to safety and emergency. And one of the ones that I want to touch on today is the emergency SOS, where you can easily press the power button 5 times in order to quickly call an emergency contact. You can also go ahead and choose if you want to do the required swipe to call. You can toggle it on or off. And you can easily go ahead and choose between multiple emergency contacts, as you can see here, and even custom choose one. So if you choose custom, you can easily enter a phone number of your choice there. Very easy stuff. And this is very easy, guys. You also have the option here to send SOS to emergency contacts. So if you want to turn this on, you can simply go ahead and toggle that on as well. And from here, you will be able to continue with the process to share emergency contacts. So guys, if you don't know about this emergency SOS feature within Android or Samsung Galaxy phone, this is something that is worth knowing and worth setting up on your Samsung phone for future use in case you ever face yourself within an emergency situation where you need to use the emergency SOS. Now guys, I want to ask you a small favor to go ahead and give this video a like if you found this useful, and if you do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.